Hey guys, Joshua here from Gander Flight. Today I want to share with you a really cool tradition for those of you that have live Christmas trees. Alright, so every year that we can, we try and get a live Christmas tree. And we really enjoy the smell, the tradition of going out and picking the tree when we can, going out and cutting it down. Live trees are just our thing. If you have live trees too, I want to share this really cool DIY project with you that is super simple and lets you commemorate the trees that you've had in the past. So the first step is to, when you're done taking all the decorations off your tree at the end of the season, is take it outside and grab a saw. And you're going to cut the base of the tree, cut rings off, about 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch thick. Something about that thick, somewhere in there. The second step is you're going to take a wood burner or paint and put the year on those rounds. Then you're going to drill a hole. Stick some thread through and hang it on your tree. So that's our super simple tradition surrounding our live Christmas trees. We take a round off the trunk every year, we decorate it, and then we hang it as an ornament the next year. It's really cool to see how the trees differ from year to year. If you enjoyed this project and think it's something that you might do in the future, go ahead and click that thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. And if you're into anything DIY, tinkering, fixing, or making, go ahead and check out our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded individuals who enjoy making things and doing everything DIY. I'll put a link to that in the description down below. Until next time, take care and pay it forward.